Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update for 5th of April. And what is going on with AXS is actually quite good. Okay, there's nothing wrong about AXS. By the end of the day, we are still breaking out of a bull flag right here, over here, and you haven't even lost the you know the formation of that bull flag. Okay, now all you did, in my opinion, here is broke out of the bull flag. And if you notice, if I actually turn off the EMAs on the daily, just notice how you broke out of it, you came to back test it, and you bounced off it, and now you're actually moving to go to the upside. So this sideways movement is okay, but I do notice now that you're actually making one bottom over here and a potential small double bottom right over there. This is going to be way more visible on the 4-hour time frame. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. So what did you do? You went up like this, exactly, came down for the retest, bounce off the support, and you find a very nice good response. Not only that, you make a nice good looking double bottom. Okay, so the progress is good. The journey is still there. We didn't lose anything, and I actually told you in the previous video, if you start to come down and lose the 60.34, this is where you actually have to quit. You actually have to sell the coin. If it does come down here at this point, that's not a good sign. That's not really a good sign, because that's the actually last week of this demand zone right over there. Take it out, backtest fail, you are gonna go down, and this bull flag actually is meaningless. It doesn't mean anything. But at this point of time, it's absolutely amazing, and the EMAs are looking good. The EMAs are supporting the coin, so you're gonna have to support the coin. So you can see we are still nearly the 20 EMA, but we did make a bull cross right over here. So that's a confirmed signal that this coin is actually quite bullish. So my comment about this is still remain the same. This is your next technical target out of the bull flag. Potentially that's gonna be $110. So that's gonna be a nice good whooping price appreciation of 70% to the upside. Unless we don't lose the 60.34, 110 is still on the cards. And that's it for the update. If you guys want to learn technical analysis the way I did, you can take my course, Technical Analysis Pirate Trader course. It's 17 hours long course, and if you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, you can do so with crypto. Join the Discord, message me, click on the announcement tabs, message me, and I'm going to tell you how to do so. It takes 5 minutes. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.